Welcome back to Raise Wisdom. Today we're going to talk about the 5 scenarios of quantum grammar syntax sequence. We actually have 5 of them. The first one is adverb-verb. You can find that sequence in fiction documents once you syntax it. When you find adverb, you put the 1 on top of it, and when you find a verb, you put the 2 on top of it. So you have adverb-verb, and that's the sequence, because the adverb is the modifier. It modifies the word behind it to be a verb or a adjective. And the second sequence is pronoun, adverb, verb. Now the pronoun is not a modifier, but it is one of the word or syntax keys that can begin in a fiction document. You will only find sentences that begins with pronoun, adjective, and adverb. Those are the only 3 that begins a sentence in the fiction babble language. And the third syntax scenario is adjective, pronoun. You'll find that a lot, especially in names that have 3 words in it. It would most likely be adjective, pronoun. And the fourth one is adverb, adjective, pronoun. This is another common one that you find a lot in the fiction documents. The adverb modifies the adjective, and the adjective modifies the pronoun. See, adverbs and adjective are modifiers. They modify a word behind them. And the fourth one is pronoun, adverb, adjective, and pronoun. And this is the 5 syntax scenarios that you will always find in any fiction document. Now remember, only pronoun, adverb, and adjective can begin a sentence in a fiction document. Just keep that in mind when you do syntax. And also, only a pronoun and a verb that can end a sentence in the fiction document. If you can remember these 2 things I just told you, you'll begin to see the patterns when you syntax, and syntax the words accordingly. Okay, I'm going to keep these short. I'm going to continue making these short videos, and I will make an announcement in the future where you can find a full course on quantum grammar mechanics for those who are serious about this technology. And this channel, Raise Wisdom, will be here to help you learn this technology: quantum grammar, correct sentence structure, communication, parsing, syntax, grammar, language performance, if you want it.
Like and subscribe and hit that bell button.